If you want to free up storage on POCO F7, all you have to do is first of all open Settings. Now over here we're gonna go to About Phone. Next, here in this place we have storage, so let's select it. You will see a summary of the storage space, so you can see what everything or how much space is taken by every category over here. As you can see, it is still loading, but after that you should be able to get the results. So you can tap on these categories in order to find what takes the most space. So if you go to audio, of course, you should be able to open audio files and so on and so forth. Of course, we need to grant permissions if you go here for the first time, but you get the idea. If you scroll down, you should be also able to find the clear option, so we can go over here in order to clear cache files, obsolete files, packages, and residuals, and also the memory. You can tap on every single one of these things in order to find details. And of course, then we can confirm by pressing clean up. So this is how we can do this. Of course, remember that you can uninstall apps that you don't use anymore, files that you don't use anymore, or don't need anymore. And over here, we also can find more cleaning tools, including Deep Clean, that can also be quite useful over here. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.